Peter has finally got his mast installed. It has been months, and he wanted to take it out for a shakedown. So we went out in the best testing waters, right here in our backyard. First test, a good upwind sail and 15 to 20 knots of wind. Peter's out there adjusting his baby stay or storm sail stay. See how we sailors stay fit? Yeah, that's how we roll, baby. And we got to take notes.
Remember 2.5 and 2.5.
Oh my mate. You made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do.
After a while, we turned around and took his lady on a downwind cruise. Peter adjusted his other stays and I worked and adjusted my new phone camera. I've not quite perfected my shooting skills with it yet, but man, what an amazing tool. Just watch the result.
Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, eso sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma, esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Check out. It went in here and out here. Whew. Yeah, no, I'm not fucking. It hurts. Ooh, ah.
Peter, you shed blood,
Bleeding my own blood.
sweat,
Sweat.
and
Oh, I haven't had tears, but I've had some fucking yelling.
when you love your boat as much as we love our boats, it's normal to have blood, sweat, and a tear here and there.
Blood, sweat, and my tears at the world. I don't shed them. I scream them.
Peter noticed that his Genoa stay was too curved or loose, so he had tightened it up with his backstay. But now it seemed too tight, so
You wanna take a few turns out of that backstay?
I did, and with the help of my camera, which is exaggerated because of the zoom here, We can see that the camber in his mast now is pretty good for downwind sailing. We were riding the rapids of the canal. It's an effect the sea has here because of the in or outgoing currents. It's like riding river rapids, and for us who are used to it, it's a great ride. Peter was also checking his instruments. It looks like his AIS is not working quite properly because no ships are showing up on the screen. Peter had asked me to take the helm for a moment, and I held on and rode those rapids all the way into the bay. And now ships were showing up on the screen.
So that's this one. That is him.
So the AIS is working.
But there's another sailboat right there, right in front of us. That blue one is here. There's the ferry. That's him. That's him right there. No, because he's... I don't even know if he's got AIS.
Yachts are coming in and out of Mindelo. This is the Atlantic crossing season. And coming into this bay is always a challenge. There are spots where the wind gusts will surprise the novices, but not me and Peter. This is our sailing waters. It makes us better sailors every time we come in and out of here. Look at Peter. Is that joy or what?
Listen, can you hear that? It's super windy here today. Was yesterday too. I think it's a good day to take care of my kitchen, clean it up. Gonna stay here until the wind calms down a little bit this afternoon, hopefully, because it's really blowing now, man.
I'm sorry, I'm Swiss, and ordering cleanliness is an issue with me. And this was just not Swiss.
Nice. Gonna do this like once a year or something. All right, let's put the stove back in there, nice and clean.
Okay, job well done. Time for some Saturday night fun. My friend Jose had a special beer night at his bar, and I invited a friend. Yep, it's Fanny, but she had somewhere else to go. She asked me to come to her friend's birthday. She's the one who takes care of her son when Fanny is out and about.
Fanny says that her son, he's the boss of all the kids here. Moda El, which means like her. She's the boss.
Yes.
Yes.
It's true.
I believe her.
Yes.
Acredita.
Me too.
back to Jose's bar, and then on to Galopin, where she invited her cousin Dailene, seen here talking to her boyfriend who's out at sea. Of course, the night went into the day and continued into the following night when Wendy joined the party. A few days later, I had a surprise visit from a sailor who needed my assistance.
How you doing? So, nice to meet you. How's it going? Yeah, you like that? Yeah, funny just to get something in there. But I couldn't really get something here and here. And the whole runner just got ripped off. But yeah, I've never seen like everything else is a bit low. I had wood glassed in, and then I could because these were just 3 months old, so.
I don't know. We got you going.
Oh yeah, I know. I was going up to 16 knots.
16, man. That's crazy.
Reefing the spinnaker, reefing the jib, reefing the main.
Yeah. Okay, what?
We're flying.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Galopin. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, or make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.